Are you a woodworker that needs to create DXF files for CNC cutting machines? Do you have a machine shop, fabrication shop, where you need all these different files created? Well, with the Logic Trace system, I can create a very accurate vector file for any CNC cutting machine like CNC routers, laser cutters, plasma cutters, water jets. In just a matter of minutes, I just trace the outline with the pen stylus, and I'm going to get a great vector file. Here I'm tracing this outline with a series of a curve fit point. I'm switching now to an arc. Do this nice little arc here. And switch to a line here. And then back to an arc, and I'm almost done here. I'm finished. Click stop. Oh, it looks great. Let's do these 1/8 inch holes real quick. I'm going to do 1-point holes. Click start. And just take that pen stylus and just click it right in the middle of the hole. I could have also done 3-point holes where I digitized 3 points on the circle, but here I'm just going to do the center point. Just get all those holes. Oh, it's looking really good. I'm almost finished here. So with Logic Trace system, I can trace patterns for woodworking shops, save a DXF file, load it into my software. There it is. It looks great. Let's save the file.